this is Kim. Welcome back. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Thank you so much. This is an interesting one. This is all about how the customer orders on Doordash and Grubhub, and whether they order on the website or use the app. There are differences, and I was really kind of shocked. So hang in there, you'll see what I mean. Before I forget, don't forget. That doesn't make any sense. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that. And if you find this interesting, helpful, useful, please like the video. That would be great. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so check it out. I decided to see what the customer side of DoorDash and Grubhub look like. So I did the same for both. I pretended to place orders on each platform. I placed orders on the website and also in the app. I didn't actually complete the order. I went all the way through the process, but I didn't actually complete the orders because I didn't want all this food. But I ordered the exact same items in each order. Wow, I mean, that's all I'm going to say right now. Things are different between the app and the website, and it really explains a lot. I never understood why tipping and order information was the way it was, but anyways, this was interesting. Okay, so first I placed a Lazy Dog order. Lazy Dog, I'm not sure if you have those in your area, but they're a nice sit-down restaurant with a lot of different kinds of food, and it's kind of expensive. So I placed the same order. So I wanted to make sure it was over $100 because somebody told me that one of the apps has different tipping suggestions based on the amount of the order, and they said that $100 was where the difference was. So that's why I picked something over $100. So anyways, first I did it on DoorDash's website, and then Grubhub's website, then DoorDash's app, and then Grubhub's app, customer app. Okay, so I ordered the exact same items on each. Okay, so this is on the Grubhub website. These are the things I ordered. So the 2 sandwiches, mac and cheese, and 3 TV dinners. Okay, so this came to $116 before all the extras. So notice here on Grubhub, it defaults to 20%, but you can also choose 18, 25, 30, or enter a custom tip. Now, when these Grubhub customers want to tip 0, they have to literally click on this enter custom tip and enter 0. So that's kind of rotten that they do that, but there are people that just don't want to tip. Anyways, so the delivery fee was free. Delivery fee was free. Taxes and fees $22.48. Driver benefits $3.50. Whatever. And the tip came to $28.55. So this grand total was $171.28. Okay, so kind of keep a vision of that in your head. Now watch this. This is the screenshot from the Grubhub app. Same items, same total, but now there's a delivery fee. The taxes and fees are the same. The driver benefits went down $1. But look at this. The tip now defaults to $1, $2, $4, $3, or custom to enter something else. So this is the same exact order, which just kind of blows my mind, because this one, they're suggesting 20% when they're on the website, and here they are suggesting $1. So this explains a lot to me about why on Grubhub, even these really expensive food orders, I'll have a $2 or $3 tip. It's because this is what they're suggesting. And this is in the app, and probably most people use the app. So this was super, super eye-opening to me, because I do Grubhub a lot now, and I notice so many orders with $90, $150, $200 worth of food, and you get a $3 or $4 tip, which is crazy. But that's what they're suggesting to these people. So I don't know. Anyways, let's move along. Here is DoorDash's website. Same exact food, same price. They don't have as many fees. I'm not sure why this was marked off or anything. Their $25.61 was their fees and tax. They gave me a $5 discount for some reason. And here it defaults to 15% tip, which is decent. That's great. Okay, so fine. Now let's go to the app. Same thing. So Grubhub, where theirs were different, DoorDash is pretty much the same. And the price was, so $158.86. Let's see, what was it for the website? $158.86. So it's exactly the same. The DoorDash website versus the DoorDash app. So, okay, great. Now, let's say we're going to get a smaller order. I just chose Taco Bell because I wanted to do one under $20. Because I've also heard that under $20 is another threshold that they use for tipping. So I wanted to see what that was. So I did the same thing that I did with the Lazy Dog order. So here's Grubhub. We're going to start there. Same thing. So it didn't matter what our order total was. It's still going to the 18, 20, 25, and 30. So 20 is their suggested tip. No delivery fee, taxes and fees. The driver benefits $3.50. The driver tip was $3.41. Okay, so their total was $20.44. Okay, so that was to make sense. Now let's go here. It reverts back to the $1, $2, $3, $4. There are more fees now. So $4.49 here. And no delivery fee here. This is the same exact, I use my same login on all of these, so I would have the same exact promotion or whatever, or lack of promotion or whatever. Taxes and fees, driver benefits. So here it's $2.50, here it's $3.50. So here the tip is $3.41, and here the tip they're saying is $1. So I don't know. I don't know why they would do this. Why would you, if someone uses an app, why would it be, I don't know, a different expectation of tipping? But this really, to me, it was so eye-opening, and I understand so much more now. But anyways, okay. So then here we'll go to DoorDash. So now DoorDash, instead of the percentage, because this is a lower total, they are going to the 2, 3, 4. And $18.79 was their total. They took off the $3.99 delivery fee for whatever reason. And then here's the app. It costs a little bit more because it highlighted the $3. It chose $3. On the other one, it chose $2. Okay, I'm not sure why they did that, but whatever. So DoorDash doesn't seem to be as, I'm not even sure what the word is. They're more consistent between the website and the app versus Grubhub. I wanted to show you too. Oh, I think I blacked it out. But it defaults to hand it to me instead of leave it at the door, which is weird. And when you place the order, it doesn't show you that until you're on this screen, and then you have to edit it. So I thought that was odd. But anyways, okay. So anyways, here's a summary. So Grubhub on the web and on the app. Ordering on the website, then it prompts for the tips are higher. So like I said, the website gives you the percentages. If you use the app, it prompts for the small $1, $2, $3, $4. And the fees also vary between the website and the app, which doesn't make any sense to me. DoorDash, the higher priced orders have 10, 15, 20, 25. And then in the app for the R1, 2, 3, 4, unless it's a higher total order, then you'll be prompted with the percentages. The fees varied slightly, not nearly as much as Grubhub's. It was cents versus dollar differences. Anyways, but now I understand why tipping is all over the place. I'm not sure why it would not be uniform between the website and the app. I'm not sure what their criteria is, why they decided to do it that way, and why Grubhub would want customers to tip so low on the app. To make it more affordable? I don't know. It's not mandatory, so people can choose what they want. But why would they suggest a $2 tip for a $118 order? I don't know. I see now why it's happening. I see why on Grubhub I get so many orders with such small tips, but I don't think it's right. And like I said, I also see that handed to me is the default on DoorDash when you order online. I didn't change any settings. I had never ordered from Grubhub or DoorDash using that account, so these were just straight out of the box accounts. I had no promotions. I had no nothing. I was a new user on both platforms. So the DoorDash defaulted to hand it to me. And I think that leave it by the door should be the default. I actually don't think that they should choose for you. I think that that should be part of the process of placing your order. You have to pick one. I don't think that DoorDash should hand it to me just arbitrarily, because most people don't want you to hand it to them. Anyways, I just thought this was really, really interesting, and it explained a lot of things to me. So I hope you found this interesting, and I hope that it helps you understand more of why people tip the way they do. And anyways, if you have any comments, suggestions, or you have a similar experience, I would appreciate you putting that down in the comments below, and we can chat about it. Anyways, thanks so much for visiting my channel and for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.